Alright, so I got a pack of fidgets today. This came in. There is a infinity cube. I'll rate this one a 8 out of 10 just because I gave it an 8 because it makes a lot of noise, and like in class for like ADHD kids, they wouldn't the teachers, they wouldn't probably allow this because it's noisy. Next up we have a bike chain. Oh, so this is an 8 out of 10. Bike chain. You can play with it with one hand. So, I'll rate this one I don't know. I'll rate this one a 7 out of 10 just because it's not as smooth as you would think it'd be. It's a little crackly. So there's that. Here we go. A marble mash. I'd rate this one a 10 out of 10 for sure. It's nice and quiet. You can use one hand to play with it. Because you don't really have to focus on it. You could be reading a book like this, and that would be just perfect. Hold on. I'm turning the volume down.
Whatever works.
Alright. So this one's easily a 10. 10 out of 10. You can read a book and play with it at the same time. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for the marble mesh. Wacky track. Ready. Ow. It's pretty good. It hurts because it ow. It scratches you and pinches your skin. So this is hold on. 6 out of 10. This Zero out of 10. Does you hear a ball? This is a puzzle cube, but you hear the ball, right? You hear that? Zero out of 10. Here's this mini fidget cube. I reviewed one of these. And I'm pretty sure I rated it like a 5 or 6. Only just because it didn't turn well. but that one was really old, and this one's brand new and it doesn't turn well. So, probably because of the size, the mini part of it. So, I mean, I used to be really good at this, but now I can't remember how.
Oh, did you mute that or something?
Yeah, turn it on.
Oh, okay. I was like, what happened to my mute?
So, I mean,
There was mail there now?
what?
There was mail there now?
Yeah. Okay, so this is like